Hello and welcome to another episode of Tech Podcasts, Dev Technosys. I'm your host, Yash, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting and creative industries out there, entertainment. Whether it's films, music, streaming platforms, or gaming, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how content is created, distributed, and consumed. From writing scripts to personalizing your playlist, AI is shaping the entertainment landscape in ways we couldn't have imagined a decade ago. To unpack this fascinating transformation, I'm joined by Daniel, a media technology consultant who's been working with entertainment companies on AI-driven innovation. Daniel, it's great to have you here.
Thanks for having me, Yash. Entertainment is an area where creativity meets technology, and AI is acting like a powerful catalyst. I'm excited to explore this with you today.
Absolutely. Let's start at the beginning. When people think about entertainment, they usually think about storytelling, creativity, and human emotion. So, how exactly is AI fitting into this space without replacing the human touch?
That's the key point, Yash. AI in entertainment is not about replacing human creativity, but augmenting it. Think of AI as a tool that helps creators brainstorm, automate repetitive tasks, and reach audiences more effectively. For example, AI algorithms can analyze audience preferences to suggest story arcs, generate visual effects faster, or even create background music for a scene.
So, let's get specific. In content creation, how is AI being applied?
We're seeing AI tools assist in multiple phases. For film and TV, AI can help with script writing. It doesn't replace screenwriters, but gives them predictive suggestions, helps them avoid cliches, or even generates dialogue ideas. In animation, AI can automate character movements, making the production process much faster. For music, AI can compose original tracks by learning from thousands of existing songs in a genre. And in gaming, AI isn't just about creating smarter opponents. It's about building immersive worlds that adapt in real time to player behavior.
That's fascinating. I've even read about AI models creating trailers for films by analyzing which scenes are most likely to attract viewers.
Yes, exactly. That happened with a Hollywood film a few years ago. AI analyzed audience reactions to previous trailers and selected the most engaging scenes for the new one. The result was a trailer that performed incredibly well.
Now, let's talk about audience engagement. Once content is created, distribution and engagement are crucial. How is AI enhancing that?
Personalization is the big one. Streaming platforms like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube rely heavily on AI recommendation engines. These systems analyze your viewing or listening habits, compare them with millions of other users, and suggest content you're most likely to enjoy. This keeps audiences hooked and ensures they're always discovering new material.
Right. That's why after finishing a series, Netflix immediately recommends another one that feels uncannily spot on.
Exactly. And beyond recommendations, AI also helps with marketing. Studios now use AI to predict which audience segments will respond best to a particular movie or song. This allows them to tailor promotions, create targeted ads, and even decide the best release dates.
That's really powerful. So AI is influencing not just what we watch or listen to, but how and when we engage with it.
Absolutely. And we're also seeing AI in real-time engagement. For example, live streaming platforms use AI to monitor comments, highlight trending topics, and even filter out inappropriate content instantly.
And I suppose virtual influencers and AI-generated characters are another part of this?
Yes, that's a growing trend. Virtual influencers powered by AI are gaining massive followings on social media. They interact with fans, promote brands, and even perform concerts. For instance, virtual idols in Asia have become mainstream, pulling in millions of viewers. It's a whole new dimension of entertainment.
That's mind-blowing. But doesn't this raise concerns? For instance, about authenticity or creativity being lost in the process?
Definitely, there are ethical and creative concerns. If AI starts producing too much content, audiences may question its originality. Also, issues like deepfakes blur the line between real and artificial. That's why regulation, transparency, and responsible use are critical. Audiences need to know when content is AI generated.
That makes sense. Now, shifting gears a little. What about monetization? How is AI helping companies and creators generate revenue in entertainment?
AI is a revenue multiplier. Through data-driven insights, companies can better monetize ads by targeting the right audience. AI also enables dynamic pricing models, where ticket prices for concerts or movies adjust in real time based on demand. In gaming, AI powers personalized in-game purchases, recommending items that a player is most likely to buy. And for independent creators, AI platforms help them distribute content globally with minimal cost.
That's democratizing entertainment in a big way. Smaller creators can now compete with big studios thanks to AI-powered tools.
Exactly. AI levels the playing field. A YouTuber with access to AI editing tools can produce content at near professional quality, reaching millions of viewers without a massive production budget.
Let's bring in the business angle. Suppose a media startup wants to build its own AI-powered entertainment app. What should they focus on?
Great question. The first step is understanding the audience, what kind of entertainment they want and how they consume it. Then they need to decide what role AI will play. Will it be for recommendations, content creation, interactive features? Once that's clear, they should work with developers who specialize in AI-driven apps, like Dev Technosys, to build scalable, user-friendly platforms. Importantly, they must prioritize data security and ethical guidelines.
That's a crucial point because audience trust is everything in entertainment.
Absolutely. If users feel their beta is misused or that content is manipulative, they'll leave. So transparency and user control are key.
Before we wrap up, Daniel, what's your take on the future of AI in entertainment?
I see three big trends. First, hyper-personalization, where every viewer gets a unique experience. Imagine a movie that changes its ending depending on your reactions. Second, AI-powered co-creation, where fans collaborate with AI to influence stories, music, or games. Third, integration of AI with immersive tech like AR and VR, creating entertainment that feels indistinguishable from reality.
That sounds like science fiction becoming reality.
Exactly. Entertainment has always been about pushing boundaries, and AI is the next big leap.
Daniel, this has been an amazing conversation. Thank you for sharing your expertise.
My pleasure, Yash. Always happy to discuss the future of media and technology.
And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in. If you're an entertainment creator, startup, or enterprise looking to integrate AI into your content strategy, remember that the future is already here. With the right partners, like Dev Technosys, you can build experiences that not only entertain, but also deeply engage your audience. This is Yash signing off from Tech Podcasts, Dev Technosys. Stay creative, stay innovative, and as always, stay tuned.